Bantwana bezithunywa, lo nkosazana Ndoni yamanzi. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. You are appreciated and loved. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngesichitho kule video. Nesibona isichitho ukuthi sinjani. What is isichitho? Siyini isichitho? This is a dark spiritual attack. Umuthi osetshenziswa abathakathi ukuze kuchitheke okuhle empilweni yomuntu, njenge inhlanhla yakho, umjolo, your relationship or marriage. Baby daddy wakho, baby mama wakho, umbona baleka, angasapoti umntwana. Isichitho siyakwenza lokho. Ukuthi uzondwe abantu, kuchitheke isisu, kuchitheke yonke into eyimpumelelo empilweni yakho. Isichitho asikho right. Sibi. Isichitho is a evil muthi, ubuthakathi. Ngeke ijike le noma ungasitshelani. Ubuthakathi. Uzazi nje ukuthi mawusebenzisa isichitho uyathakatha. Ukuthi yini ama reasons wakho kubalekanga lokho ubuthakathi kusalayo. And then a person can go get isichitho with the intention of separating two people who are involved, abathandanayo, only to find it won't just separate them, but destroy the life of the person you want to be out of the picture. They will end up losing everything. So, ungaye enyangeni yakho leyo mthakathi futhi ngeke ngithi inyanga. Uyolanda leso sichitho leso ngoba wena bakuthathele boyfriend. And then ufuna ukuthi manje uchithe leyo ntombazana or kumfana ufuna ukuthi uchitheke leyo ndoda enye. And then leso sichitho leso angeke sigcine lapho ukuthi sihlukanise labo bantu abayi2. Uyomoshakalela lo mntana abantu. Lo wena umsebenzisele isichitho. Uzomoshakalela izinto eziningi alahlekelwe imisebenzi ayenzini. Nama examples, jobs, business deals, aziluse lezo zinto lezo, ama friendship, imali. Chitheke nje, mosheke empilweni yomuntu ngenxa yakho. So, isichitho asikho right. Isichitho asikho right, sichitha konke in your life. Life actually yomuntu loyo omfaka leso sichitho. You can be hated by your own children mabakufaka isichitho, or family members or friends. Isichitho siyakwenza unuke amakaka, poop. Noma ugezile abantu bakunyanye bakuzunuka. Noma uphinda ugeza kayi3 kayingaki, wena uzizwa futhi bona bayakuzwa. Siyayimosha impilo yomuntu. Ungatholi umsebenzi okulahlekelwa umsebenzi. Isichitho asikho right yo. Angazi loyo wasiyenza ukuthi bokwenze njani. Excuse me. Ukhona isichitho esedlozi, sifakwa idlozi lakho, sikufake leso sichitho leso. Ulahlekele kuyafana nalesi sichitho leso umuntu asilanda emntwini. Ubona ulahlekelwa umsebenzi, uzondwa abantu, ungatholi uthando, ushime lokho kunzima lokho. Ube nesidina. They can do this to you if you don't want to listen to them. Bafuna uthatha ubizo labo wena ufuna uthatha. Then bakufake leso sichitho leso. Sinzima ukuthi usikhiphe. You must listen to what they want. And then now ama-dreams, amaphupho ba now. That shows ukuthi unesichitho. Some of our dreams. Dreaming of poop, pupa amakaka, masepa. Dreaming of dirty toilet, olokadi toilet tse di tshila. Dreaming of dirty water. Being in a fight and the other person beating you big time. Bakutrape ephupweni. Bakutrape kanti isichitho siyangena. Phuphe nje, maybe ikhona intombazane ekuchithayo, and then uzophupha wena ushayeka lapha ephupheni. And then seeing your menstruation period, ngamaphupho, uphuphe kuyenzeka ukuthi kube yisichitho. Kuyenzeka ukuthi kube nomuntu mawuphupha straight kube vele ukuthi uzongena kuma period. But kuyenzeka kube yisign futhi eyesichitho. And then uyakhona ukuphupha ulwa nepartner yakho. Uyaphupha dreams of frogs. And then physical signs. Ama-pimples, njengoba nibona la. Eshazi buhlungu lento. Ama-pimples. Feeling like you have a spider web on your face. Bathi ngesizulu ubukhuphe, I think. And then sores all over your body. Ilonda ezingapholi. Bathe bathi ugcobisa yini akupholi. Futhi masingaphakathi khona ayi. Feeling like your face is burning. Uzobuso bakho ngathi buyasha. Itchy skin, especially on your face. Menstruation, engastopi. Lokhu esikhathini uzuyandlula. A bad smell even after taking a bath. Njengoba ngishilo lapho uyageza mara uyanukela abantu wena uzizwa most of the time. And then you should use izinto zokukhipha isichitho every now and then to cleanse and protect yourself. So nje ungaba ne-routine yakho ukuthi wena every month nje usebenzisa izinto zokuzivikela. Because umuntu akangeke aze akutshela ukuthi ngikufaka isichitho. Izinto such as umadubula, grof salt, ispiriti, holy ash if you are allowed ukuthi uyuse. Then you can mix lezo zinto lezo iwash and then and use them for 3 days and then ugeze ufuthe yeah, sorry, or you can use isiwasho or ungasebenzisa umuthi if uyawusebenzisa kuya ngokuthi wena ubelievela in because yonke into ibelieve into efunekayo. So or mazingapholi because of usebenzisa lama home remedies, then you have to see a healer, umuntu ozokwazi ukukusiza because angakunikeza nezinto zokuthi uphalaze and then ukhiphe leso sichitho because esinye singaphakathi. Yeah, please ningasicali isichitho asikho right. Ungasizami nokusizama uthi ngifuna ukumchitha ubani ungazami, and asikho right at all isichitho. Uzothi uyasebenzisa bese uthola umuntu aphakame naye because uyabona kwenzakalani. Aye kumelaphi wendabuko, loyo melaphi loyo athi siyasusa kuwe sibuyela la sivela khona. Sebayakushaya-ke nekuwe-ke soshaya-ke siphindaphinde kaningi. Asikho right. Sizokushaya-ke wena mnikazi waso. Angeke uzuphinde futhi nje uzusebenzise. Okay, ngizoma lana kwanamhlanje. Thank you so much for watching my videos. uNkulunkulu aqhubeke abe nani, aniguide, aniprotecte, aniblesse, abe nani kujeni le enihamba kuyo. You are loved and appreciated by Nkosazana Ndoni Yamanzi. Bye.